What's going on, y'all? It's been a minute. So, I've been pushing off making videos for a while, and I was like, all right, let me just hit the record again and just like get this loom going. I know I said I'd be making content, but some things have kind of altered and changed for the reason why I couldn't start making content. But I have plans to make content again. Um, I got people I'm going to meet up in New York actually, who are content creators. So, going to be meeting up with them. In the meantime, I did build two apps this year. The first one is Ubuntu Spaces. So let me fill y'all in. Um, I've been traveling a lot, and I've been taking pictures and using like Gemini to, change spaces. Just playing around with the models and stuff. And you can kind of see what's been going on. Like with this, you could take pictures. So this is the a gym I used to go to, and I remodeled it. And then this was like Yankee Candle, I think. I don't remember. I think it's Yankee Candle. Yeah, it is. And have the model change it up a bit. Same thing. I was in Senegal. You know, this was like a little grocery store. This was a rest stop I stopped at, right? And here are some. This is taken of a bedroom. I was in Senegal, my mom's room. I was like getting finished up and used the AI model to change that up. But you can add sketches. Um, Now, some people told me the pricing was a lot, but when I seen what other people were charging for, I was like, there's no way people are paying for that. And I don't know if you know who Peter Levels is, but he's making 42 K a month off of his, and it costs more than what I'm charging. But you can download the iOS app on the App Store, available now, and it is like 4.99, 2.99 for like 5 renders. So you can play around with that. Pricing is, I think, fair. Oh, there it is, 2 ratings. Nice. And it's been getting downloads. This is Mo Bills. I gotta fill y'all in on that later. For some reason, that app keeps getting downloads. Um, the second app I built was Yappa. This is a AI voice agent. I've been playing around with voice agents lately, and this is one of them. You can head over to yappavoice.com to play around with it or call the number. The goal with this one is to get 10 customers. I'm gonna fill y'all in. I'm just doing a quick rundown, but these are the two apps that I built this year in 2026. Um, Pricing could also seem like whoa, and sometimes I think that's the most uncomfortable part is like trying to figure out what's the best pricing for this. But after doing the math, there's no way like I was gonna. I realized that the other companies or startups that are charging like $20, $30 a month, they're actually like first of all, if they got funding because the whole point of is growth. So they're charging like $20 just to get more users. But I seen that a lot of the reviews were because it were the negative reviews was because the prices were going up. So because it's a startup and it costs a lot. So I think this was fair. There are people on YouTube doing AI voice agents, um, agencies, and they're charging I think $4,000, $3,000 upfront cost to set it up, and then charging $700 a month to maintain it. And then other companies are like on a lower tier, they're doing like unlimited minutes. I don't know how they're doing that because that's a lot of money. If people just have so many minutes, I guess they're assuming that people have low call volumes. But I thought this was fair after doing like research and stuff, right? And it's a 14-day free trial. Uh, so that's what I got going on with that. I have an app coming out, or someone requested that they would pay for it, so they're having me build it. But they want their own little version. But so it'll be this is basically like two apps. It's called Crew. It's basically someone wants to make it so it's easier to manage their biker club and set up rides, like ride-alongs and all that stuff. So ride albums, geo check-in, track stats, all that type of stuff. Where it's like, okay, they can set up points like point A to B, and set up a ride or an event, and people can go there and meet up. So this one is in a test flight right now. Let me know if you want a link to the beta, but it's in private testing for the person who requested it. But this will be open to the public, and then I'm gonna basically clone this code or clone the repo and then give them their own version and put that up on the App Store and charge them because they said they would pay for it. And that's the quick rundown. Um, so yeah, two apps built this year. I'm probably gonna make a bunch of videos and like schedule them to be released because I'm gonna keep this video short and just kind of fill y'all in on what's been going on. And um, I'm already planning content where I got like this iPhone where I'm gonna like shoot in 4K and actually edit I'm gonna start doing a blog on the Mo Studios site, um, using a headless CMS, but also writing on Medium and all the other ones. Mo Gains is gonna get um, polished up as well. It's on the App Store. It's really basic, but this version I want to put out will be out in like the summer. Um, yeah, and I'm just taking a brand new turn. We're taking a fresh take on my approach. So the goal with Yappa is just to get 10 customers. That's it. Um, if I get more, cool. But the whole point is to get most studios to pay for itself, so I don't have to keep putting money in it. This is down to $8 now. I'm making $8 a month or 10. Um, and yeah, if you want to stay up to date, you can subscribe here. But yeah, I'm a little lazy with this video, but I've been lazy with making videos lately. Um, Also started editing TikTok, so it's kind of crazy. I'm gonna have to be a content creator. But I'll end the video with this. I think what I'm gonna do with most studios now is shift to audience building, right? Like get most studios to be profitable, and then just focus on like getting this business that I'm trying to do to pay for itself, right? So if there's 10 people subscribe to Yappa, regardless of the plan, the app now pays for itself, or the company business, this thing I'm doing pays for itself, and I don't have to, pay out of pocket for it. So, yeah, the goal is audience building, start writing, doing all these things. Um, and yeah, I'm probably gonna make another video with like a quick walkthrough of each app and show y'all like how it works and what's going on. And then other than that, yeah, I'm back. What, January? Yeah, I didn't make a video since January, I think. But I've been dropping some shorts. You can check those out. I think been dropping shorts about the Ubuntu app. But I've been posting on my story a lot. So some of the people who've been following me from here to Instagram, you've already seen what I've been doing. So because it's just a lot easier to post a story than it is to make YouTube videos, edit, make TikToks, edit, all that stuff. So yeah, that's what I got for y'all. Um, you'll be seeing more videos of this moment because I'll be making more videos and scheduling them um, to just publish on YouTube. And then we'll go back to regular schedule program of this guy on the internet, this recording looms, showing you projects he's at this point just vibe coding. I don't code no more. Well, I do, but not really. And then just yeah, still following the journey. All right, that's all I got for y'all. So the next one, I'll do a walkthrough of my apps.